friends to you, don't waste your time. Here's why.